The present perfect tense is what I want to discuss with you today because it is one of the most difficult verb tenses for English language learners to master because it has certain correlation that has to happen between the sentence meaning and the verb tense. Plus, there are some irregular past participle verbs that have to be used in conjunction with have or has. Remember, it's I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, you plural, which is just you understood as plural, have, and they have. Often the she, he, and it has also causes problems. But remember that if it's a singular she, he, or it's has. I know I repeated it, but it's for emphasis. Now, with the past participle part of the verb, there are regulars. However, most of the verbs, the past participle is just the ed form that you would use in the past tense, such as walked. I have walked 5 miles today. Or there's also the irregular ones, such as broke. That is the past tense for break. However, when you say I have broke something, that is incorrect. It would be I have broken, which is the irregular form of the past participle for break. There's a complete list of most common past participle verbs on Moodle for you to look at. Now I want to share with you 4 main ways to use present perfect in your sentences. The first way is expressing a situation that started in the past and continues to the present. This is the most common way to use the present perfect. In most dictionaries, this is the definition that it would give you. So the way to express this would be using since, for, with time attached to it, such as I have lived in this house since 2003. So that's something that started in the past and is continuing even as we speak. Expressing a situation that started in the past and continues to the present. I have lived in this house since 2003. I have taught English language learners since 2010. And so there's the timestamp. I have taught at GTC for 4 years. So there's a different construction for 4 years. Remember, FOR is the preposition or the coordinating conjunction, FOUR the number. Another way to use the present perfect is to express a recently completed action, such as her plane has arrived. Notice that I said her plane, so the subject is it. So it has arrived, meaning that it was just recently completed. Many times the word just is also put into the sentence. Her plane has just arrived. But be careful of overusing just in your writing because it is an easy word to overuse. He just signed the treaty. And if you continue to use it, you'll get it circled probably by your English teacher to say overuse of the word just. Another way to use the present perfect is express an action that occurred at an unspecified time, but it has current relevance now. Such as, he has read all of Jane Austen's novels. Now, there is an unspecified time that he completed reading all of the novels, but it has relevance now. Let's say you're in your English class and you're going to read Pride and Prejudice for part of your literature, but you look at your friend and talk about your friend beside of you and say, he has read all of Jane Austen's novels. So, although you don't know the time frame, The fact that he has read all of the novels has relevance at this moment. Another way to use the present perfect is to describe an action that occurred over a period of time that is complete at the time of speaking, such as, his condition has improved over the last few days. So he's sick, he's in the hospital, but his condition has improved over the last few days, meaning that 3 or 4 days ago he was doing poorly, but today he is doing well. This is an overview of present perfect. Please review your textbook and any handouts on Moodle to help you understand it more clearly, and I'll see you in class. Have a great day.